Hi everyone, it's me. So this weekend I'm gonna be at a leadership conference. Basically it's for 3 days and it's called Key Leader and it's at this camp. I'll show you here. This is what it looks like. It's really fun. I'm with Alexa, who you guys probably know, and Emily. And so we just got here and this is our cabin and I'll show you inside. Crazy! And this is Alexa. This is our bunk. Alexa's top. I'm bottom.
Bunk tour.
Okay, give one tour.
I'm TV, welcome to my group. This is bottom, this is top. Inspiring.
Peace. So, right now we're at the dining hall. This is Emily, by the way.
Hey.
We're about to eat dinner. Okay, peace. Hey everyone, it's me. We just finished eating dinner. Oh, these are my new friends. This is Allie, this is Claire. They want to say hi.
I'm gonna be famous now because I'm on this channel.
This is my friend Spencer. You want to say hi? It's just a video because I'm really famous. So, yeah. It's about 6:30 right now and we're gonna go get a presentation soon. Okay, see ya.
I'm sick.
Guys, subscribe to Isabexa. Woo! Our group is the Boba Bear.
I need to video.
Right now, we're in our neighborhoods. We are the Boba Bears. Spitting fire like we don't care.
Hot fire.
Spitting hot fire, sorry. Right now it's about we're going to leadership. We got in our neighborhoods and the Boba Bears. And right now I'm just going to the bathroom. Where is it stuck? Please. Okay, so we just got back from the leadership conference and it's about 10 o'clock and I'm in my bed. And nothing else. So right now we're playing BS. Right? Is that what it's called? Alright. Going to bed right now. That's about it. This is my bed. I already showed you this. Oh, good night. Okay, good night. Oh.
Ew, this is so gross. Yeah. You just killed a bug.
When Alexa was like,
Well, maybe.
I want to see it.
Hey. So we just woke up. Woo!
That's what you're doing, you're vlogging it?
Magic. So right now I'm getting my hair braided at the salon. Yeah. Hey guys, we're at breakfast right now. Hey guys. Yay! Hey guys, we're eating breakfast right now. It's fine. Yeah. I want to say hola.
Como estas?
Yes. Hey guys, sorry I haven't been vlogging, but we were just at the leadership conference and I don't really want to like whip out my phone and just talk about it. Yeah, they gave us snacks and so we took like a ton of snacks. I have some in my pocket. I have more, but yeah, right. And then we're going to the ropes course. I promise I'll film the ropes course, okay?
Subscribe to Alexa.
No. Okay, right now we're debating and she's trying to not listen. Because that's like saying, like, if I have something and you don't, that makes me better than you. But I didn't. There's people taking a group picture. Right now we're eating lunch. Look at my taco. Say hi.
Hi.
You're doing it the wrong way.
Professional lemonade pour.
Okay. Right now we're making some hot chocolate.
And you need to put in a lot of chocolate or else you won't be able to taste it. So I'm going to put more. Yes, you need more or else you won't taste it.
Okay.
A lot.
So right now we are on the, where are we going? Oh yeah, we're on a van going to the ropes course.
we're walking
For the rest of our lives.
to.
Are you ready to call?
Where are we walking to, Alexa?
We are walking to rope course.
Look how pretty it is.
Guys, it's official. I'm now gonna be a vlogger on your channel.
Good.
It's gonna be Alexa.
Alexa.
Like really odd and then
Right now, I'm actually in the bathroom because it's dry and it's pouring outside. It's about 1 maybe, and this is the view. It's really pretty. We're at the ropes course right now. Alexa's in the bathroom. I don't know if I can turn it around, but
No. So get 1 foot in.
Yeah.
Get 1 foot in and slide all the way
go this way.
And then lean forward a little bit. I'll support you from your shoulders, and you get your other foot in, and you just back up.
Yeah, put,
Sure.
yeah, go.
Yeah, back up.
remember the booty. The booty. Wait, get the booty in.
Is it only feet?
Only feet, yeah.
Oh, it's only feet?
Do you want to like do a handstand on it?
I mean, yeah, hold on to the rope. Or,
Okay.
Actually, no, never mind. You have to long.
Yeah, get him out.
so we just finished the ropes. Yeah, it was fun. I wore really wet. I'm so
I like
wet.
the spider one. Get it? Oh yeah.
See ya. Hi everyone, I just got back from taking a shower. We finished the ropes course, it was really fun. I wanted to go higher up, but okay. See you later.
What? I thought you were sleeping.
So now we're just at the dining hall.
Probably like our 8 hot chocolate.
Getting our hot chocolate.
I was thinking 8 too. Yeah.
I would say 5. No, for me like 4.
No, we've got a lot.
You gotta put a lot of hot chocolate. I think I put most of it. Put him a note. Says nice pick, Spence, and then I drew him.
He's so creepy.
No, I think it's a good idea.
Because look at it's creepy.
Look, I did a good job.
I just want to
We're outside. Thank you, Paul. No one wanted to go with me on a walk, so I'm going by myself. It's like 4 o'clock here at Campfire Lane. I don't know what this is. I don't know if I'm allowed to go over here, but I'm doing it anyways. Oh, it's raining, still raining. It's pretty, I'll show you. This is where I is. You guys are missing out! Let's see. There's a bunch of fun stuff down here. They should have come. They'll watch this vlog later and they'll be like, gosh, it's pretty down here. Now, Ali and Alexa really want to be in my vlog while they're playing ping pong. So annoying. Just play your stupid game.
Wait, keep going.
Yeah, okay, fun.
Hey everyone, I'm on the foot trail. I'll be clear, I have an umbrella. Okay, I'm coming up. Oh, look, I made it up. Told you. This was fun. We should go down. Oh, see the foot trail over there. Guys, everyone has their turkey, and here's me and my tofu. It's good though. Ew, tofu. I love tofu. Say hi. Eating dinner.
Ali, what are we doing? Ali. We just finished dinner at another leadership lesson. These are so boring, guys. Well, oh well. Food was good. I had tofu. I might be falling asleep. There's a fire.
You have to watch for me.
I'll watch yours.
Thank you, man. Like, you know.
Are you vlogging it?
Of course I'm vlogging this.
Oh, yours is going on fire.
Mine?
See, look, you gotta go next to the embers, get it really nice and hot.
Yeah, it's raining outside, so we couldn't do the bonfire. But oh well. Again. We just finished everything. We're done with everything in the whole world.
No, we're not. Not yet.
Ah!
No, there's a lot left.
Yeah,
You can't see. Turn the flash on.
I can't turn flash on in my face. We had s'mores and then we had some chips
But you can
for
kinda
snacks.
see us now. Really know.
I don't even drink water. I only drink hot chocolate.
That's so true.
Okay.
We've literally had
This
like
vlog is
5
gonna be
things
so
of
long.
hot chocolate. Oh my god.
It's morning, and last night Alexa started to draw all over my hand. Show me your picture. I'm tired. Hi everyone! It's morning! It's our last morning. We're waiting for breakfast. It's like 7:45 maybe. And right now we're playing ping pong. We're very good. Now we're here eating breakfast. It's good.
We're doing a lesson about our goals right now, and Alexa's drawing me a really pretty picture.
We just finished the closing ceremony. I got all of my stuff. It's good.
Let's go.
Okay, now we're leaving.
We're on our way back now in the car, and it's raining a lot. Like a lot. Bye!
We decided to stop at this restaurant, and I'm coloring. So I got back from Key Leader. It was really fun. I learned a lot about leadership, met a bunch of new friends. This is the end of my vlog. Make sure to subscribe, like the video, comment. Yeah, also subscribe to Isabexa, and add me on Snapchat, follow me on Instagram, follow me on Twitter, all the good stuff.